Igama lami nguGugu Mkhondo, ngiphuma eCosmo. Ngilethwe ukuthi la impilo yami imile, stagnant. Solo ngaceda isikolo, ama opportunity avalekile, ngine matric kuphela, mangifuna umsebenzi angitholi reply nje kumile, impilo yami stagnant, ayikho into eyenzakalayo and ngiyakhula, ayikho nje improvement engiyibona ngempilo yami, instead ngiyahlupheka ngiba worse. Dala ngihamba isonto ngisontile isikhathi eside ngingathola ama-answer. Mangiceda lapho ngaphuma futhi ngaya kwabantu ama-traditional healers ngithola ama-answers but still abakhona ukungitshela into straight ukuthi yini into engihluphekisayo. So ngize la ukuzothola ukuthi kahle kahle yini into engihluphekisayo and preferably futhi ngibe ne-solution. Mina ngifila ngathi enginhlupheko futhi iphuma from vele kubo abazali bami, inkinga zami zikhostwa yibo because umama wami nobabami azibashada bazishadise home affairs. So I don't have a close relationship nabazali bami vele.
Kunjani? Ngiyaphila nami Nkosi. Ayifani yenzekele into enenzekeleyo where a spirit will push through while ndibhizi ngendaba zonye umuntu. About a week ago, repeatedly while I was in session, kept on hearing the name Josephine. Is your mom late?
No, my mom
your
is
mom's still alive
and her name is Josephine.
Okay. Aba baphezulu baveza through your mom. Okay. So basically I need to backtrack wena ngoba kubomi. I'm very much troubled by your maternal lineage. And bakhwaza ngomama wako. The way mama wakho akhwazwa ngayo uJosephine ukhwazwa as umuntu okhuzwayo. And ekhuzwa yena so that you get protection and generations to come. I don't know who is this maternal energy that is linked to Kuwe, who passed away in a car accident. So a very drastic death.
Okay, umuntu close kakhulu no mama umalume wami.
Okay.
And yena washona kabuhlungu, it was mob justice bamulala. Azange sikhona nokuthi simncwabe la angcwatshwe khona ungcwatshwe nalabantu laba because ungcwatshwe unknown.
Lo muntu usweleke ngengozi has come through very much and very strong to a point ukuthi for hours, I think since around 5 a.m. I've been in pain, just the hip area. But sacela kukunikeza iBhayibheli uzovula kumekanye, you open once randomly, you point, awufunda unikeze mina ngizawufunda. So ukilego Ezekiel chapter 10 andake umqolo othi the glory departs from the temple. I looked and saw the likeness of a throne, of a sapphire above the expanse that was over the heads of the cherubim. The Lord said to the man clothed in linen, go in among the wheels beneath the cherubim, fill your hands with burning coals from among the cherubim, and scatter them over the city. And as I watched, he went in. Now the cherubim were standing on the south side of the temple when the man went in, and a cloud filled the inner court. The glory of the Lord rose from above the cherubim and moved to the threshold of the temple. The cloud filled the temple, and the court was full of radiance of the glory of the Lord. The sound of the wings of the cherubim could be heard as far away as the outer court, like the voice of God Almighty when He speaks. Lizwi lakho ke repeatedly lithetha of the man. And you are just clarified ukuthi umuntu owasweleka ngengozi kowenu ngumalume wakho, although I picked up very strong on your maternal energy. Kunokukhuzwa kumama wakho but akuveli, but ukukhuza ke okuvelayo kumama wakho iza nakuwe as not necessarily a warning, but again ndizawuthi precaution. You are being instructed to shy away from such setups. Ungayikabi kwabantu bendaba. Ngoba ngamanye amaxesha uthi ngokuthi ufuna indaba ufuna ulungisa ubomi bakho kanti uyazimoshela. ezinye izinto ke ezinesingisi sisitsho some things are better left unsaid. Uthi when i-meeting ihleli ngawe and they're about to bless you in one way or the other, uze kumuntu ofana nami, instead of me picking up izinto ezobe zi-right phezu kobomi bakho, I pick up ingxaki. And whatever then I pick up will have weight over wena. And as much as I don't want to seem disrespectful at this moment in time, but I'm being instructed to not go further ngendaba zakho. Abantu bakulo mama wakho are very strong over ubomi bakho. It's very dead to that. I'm not going to even go there. I'm being instructed to not go further ngendaba zakho. Not ukuthi bayakuvalela, but because there are better things coming ebomini bakho abangafuni uvaleleke ngoba into ezakwenzeka if mna ndiyadiliza ndifuna uveza indaba zakho to le ndawo wena uyifunayo, because the only thing you just want to know, will your life turn out well? What is the direction basically ebomini bakho? And the instruction is usemncinci, so there's no need for you to panic ukuba ubomi bakho buzabanjani at age 40 for instance, or age 35. Focus on ubomi bakho kule ndawo ukuyo, kuvela indaba yesikolo. But isikolo sakho anikwazi ubaba and settle and say this is what's happening. Ndiyazulazula. So are you in and out of isikolo?
Manje currently ngiyazifundisa kuna like i-RM. Ngiyele ngacompile like all my study material, like khona nje vele i-course ye-financial. So next month vele ngifuna ukubhala.
And you see uba kwa utshintsho lakho kukufutshane as next month. So kumna xa ndizawuphinda ndifike ndithethe into that already sowuvulelwe.
But ngithukiwe khona lento ethi what if angiphathi, because khona lento le enginika self doubt, like uba motivated, khona lento ethi hayi uzophasa wena uhlezi unamabhadi wena.
Because if into izakho bezingazolunga as from next month bebengazuvela the way bavela ngayo abantu abadala, but nawe funeka uzivezile okanye uzibonakalisile uba yinto serious ngayo lena, and not sit back and think because ndina izinto zakho zizawuvuleka and you think you don't need to put in the work. You put in the work, but refrain, bayakunqanda abantu bakowenu, refrain from interacting nabantu abafana nam. Ngifuna nje uphinda ndiphakamise ke your uncle. It is for your mother again. Messages are from your uncle. Mama is a person that's very doubting.
Good, yes.
Yathetha ngomlomo, but ngaphakathi unakungazithembi.
Yes.
And ungumuntu okhawuleza amamela abanye abantu over izinto azifunayo. Given also the sense then that nikhe ningaboni ngasolinye because umamela abanye abantu over wena akubone ke ngoku as umntana that is rebellious, whereas wena you're just fighting for ndifuna umamele mna, see me as my mom. So she needs to block out the noise. That's the only thing ayivezelwayo, ukuba makafunde ukuzethemba, aqinise umqolo wakhe. So I think also it is a way of reminding you or reassuring you that noba uboni ngasolinye umama akho uyakuthanda. Akekho umuntu ozakuthanda ukogqitha umama wakho.
And I mean, like me for a long time ngicabanga ukuthi yabona yile zinto lezo khapha abantu ukuthi umama akho ukwenza abantu for a long time ngingazwani naye.
So try to find comfort in each other, find conversations. Nez is uncomfortable with each other because you only get stronger, nino babini, or receive your blessing from the strong maternal energy that I've picked up when you are a united front, a united force. Because abantu bakulo mama wako are very strong over ubomi bakho. It's very dead to glow tata wako. I'm not going to even there. I would rather just focus on the positive. Let's leave the negative. was overprotective. Engafuni ube nabafana. Yazi bomtshana ke mhle abafana bazawuphithizela kodwa before izinto zakho zilunge hlukana nabafana. Inzima ke because I would assume that kwi stage sabafana
relationship.
Yeah, but akayifuni indaba nabafana. Wakafuna uphithizele. Ngizayivala apho because I don't want to dwell further and andifuna ukuthi ndiyofika on the negatives but hlala at least on the positives.
Hayi umalume wena leya kamalume yena hayi umalume wami ngiyamthanda but ngifila ngathi le message anayo for mina kune miscommunication because mina nginomuntu oyi1 engizwana naye angisumuntu ongena kuma relationship. It's been a long time ngizwana nomuntu oyi1. Relationship yami no mama from ngimncane nje yo. But I'm glad mangasho kanjalo because vele sesizilungisile izinto bese sikhulumisana anyways. So ngizothatha lento engitshele yena ukuthi siqhubeke siwork on our relationship. Obviously ayikho perfect but it's something that vele mele siqhubeke siwork on yona. But vele umama wami yena umama wami ngiyamthanda, you understand? So ngijabulile futhi mangangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda because mina ngingacabanga ukuthi umama wami uyangithanda.
Into ke ethe yavela ke kwi reading kaGugu ukufunda ke ngamaxesha kuba masamkele le ndawo sikuyo okanye ke singafuni usoloko siyin control okanye sazi kuba ingomso lethu lesiphathele ndoni ngoba ngamanye amaxesha ke umuntu uzawuthi uyofuna indaba kusiyazi kanti uvalela insikelelo esizikufutshane kuye na njengoba ke bebonakala ba yena iminyango okanye ukukhanya sekusondele and sekuzawuvuleka ke lo minyango bethe wayicela ba mayivuleke. Nofunda ke ukuba akwazi ukubuilda ke a solid relationship nomama wakhe afunde uthetha nomama ngoba umama wakhe umthanda kakhulu noba ke akatsho okanye awave ke lo mazwi sibaxelela ke nokuba ke relationship yakhe ke nomama wakhe izuphucuke ke usukela ke ngalomzuzu mzansi igama kunaledi ndithi zabe gcose kubele kupanga ubumnyama kufela ukukhanya kuchume kwande cama.
Igama lami nguNonhlanhla Ntuli phuma eMndeni Extension. Ngibhalele itsile ngoba ngifuna impendulo ngenxa yokuthi abantwana bami bayashona ngingazi ukuthi bashona ngendlela ezithini nokuthi umntana msinzi washona angakamboni angakazi nje ngamphupha ngakhuluma naye nokuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nogogo wami ozala umamami ngifuna ukuthi why ngikhesa ngisasesiswini saka mamami.
Holy motho hona le hore you have ntwe re bitsang a soul and soul ya how ke ntwe one mara every other lifetime it's into a different body. He ko sheba so ma ke bona o na le mo wa go sebetsa ka thata but meroko wena o wetsang le the reward e we kry ha di lekane because ke bona gore ho le a certain mosadi a previous lifetime semo senkile wa senka before o tla ba no ntantule o nna ke shebaneng le ende mara motona ke mo kreyang a tshwereng your soul ke mothola e le gore ke mosadi a sokolang eba a single parent ebe le ha gola o khutla tlogolo a nnoshi and o bereka ka buima a sa thole moputso o mo lekaneng wa imelwa mama and we imela ke tshokolo e ile gore o bona ka re o palla go tswa ka mogare ha yona. Now inkisa ko ntwe engwe ya bobedi e ke bonang gore o tshwere sefane se sa hantuli mara mo sefaneng se o se tshwereng hona le batho ba bang ka mogare ha sefane se re tla re ba two faced ba le rata he setse re le together ho thoma o ya aside a ba le rate and ba tsama ba lo le rapella ebile ba le bitsa le mo meetlong some of the things se ba di etsang ka mo hae o ka re ke meetlo le di rituals tsa o bula maphelo a lona but he wena o tsamaya ba sala ba banka mobu ba tla ntho tseo and so le ba tsama ba ilo etsa ntse tsa bona tse seleng ba tsamaya ba itlhatswa ka mabitso a lona. Ke ntho e ke bitsang gore motho o sebedisiwa as a spiritual dustbin. Hore ke isola senyama se ile re nkabe ke se kreile o he ke lo ganga he batho ba mpona ba bone seemo sao. So ke yona ntho ya boithu hape e etsa hore o feel o kare o tswe moya wa poverty. Tshengwe le ngwe o itshwarang a utlisetse tšhelete ba ka re bitsa ba re mosebetsi ke la kenang wena go kena ba la monyako mo sefatlhong sa hao. Batho he ba o shebile mama ba bona o kare a gona punishment go wetsa ntho e wrong. And so ntho ngwe hape e ke bonang ke bona o na le setho ka leleme la tshola Sepedi re motho o na le makgome. Ene makgome ke setse le gore o bile le thobalano le motho e le gore o robetse le motho e le nashwetswe o yena motho o yena na a setse a tswa mo partnering e le gore e tlhokofetse. But motho ha e bona ntho mo phelong hae o tla mo wena a ntse a tseba gore ka ba bonang na ntho le gore a gona punishment to do you wrong. Ke bona go etsiwa a ritual ka mabitso a ngwana mo ile gore go a rapediwa go batho ba teng ba fofa mollo ne ba sa re ngwana a tlhokofala ne ba bona o tsamaye. O too much ka mohasbane sa hao sa ha bontate wa hao ene mangelo a bo mme wa hao ba re wena o ba furalletse ba shebe ha o etse next ha o go bona o lebeletse sefane se ene o se lebeletse o re ntho e nkutlwisa botlhoko but he nka itshwara enough e tla be ya mphidisa a ena o phidisa mama. So ba re wa banyatsa badimo ba ha bo mama ntho e etsa gore o nyatse sedimo ha bo mama.
Ha ke go ga bo mama ka nkgono ka una some pretty sharp ne. I think it was 6 years back ka lo ha ke lo tato mong ka lo tsena ko metseng ha ke lo tsena go metseng a ka jiga ntate o una dutse mo una apere only white thing ne. A re mo gona no monga yenzani angeke kuze kulunge noma ngathi ubambana ngeke ngizokulunga because ugogo wakho ozala umamakho wakhesa usasesizwe wakdisowner usasesizweni saka mamakho. Okay ka jwetsa mmeka hore ke lore le so where's part of ya kane ntate o andwetsa wena nkgono wa gago o le tsaya tin a tsenya paint ya gago sa tsene monyana a ikapa a ilkapa a ilahlela ko tananda. So lingwano o mototsi ka mistake no tshwantse go ka wa kreya ngwana abana. So ke na le bana ba ba 5 first one ka ile ya profile in 2 years ya ba mascara ya ba ectopic ba ithuka ya ba miscarriage o wa ba ectopic.
Okay. Ereking ke clarify ya nkgo mele ha mama. Sedimo a se motho o mo one. Sedimo ke collective ya batho fela ba ile ke ba khalene ba tseba gore ngwana o moso o tlobelega ka mahara halapa leso. Now go furalla sedimo ka baka la ntwe go a yentseng e botlhoko ene ke a utlwisisa. But ha ka mosaiteng ya Hantuli ke batho ba ile today ba hofa tomorrow ba go nkela. Na wena o bona ngwana o a tlhokofetseng wa mathomo but 2 more of the children ba nkile teng ya ha bontate. Ke ka hape re ka taba e yang ngwana o a tlhokofetseng o tlhokofala e hore le mo teng o sana le sello se screamelang ko godimo and ha screamer o re monna o re o ka re nka kra metsi ka baka la re ko mile but mo a tshwantse a kre metsi o tshwantse a kre metsi he wena o le ko le watleng e le wena o mo khopella e le wena o mo rapella and ho tsama o ya ko o tsama o tshwere seaparo sa nkebe gone byanong a le mo yona and wa ipolokela yena ka baka la gore le wena go boloka ngwana e leng wa hao ka nako no mmoloka batho ba ne ba o lebeletse a ba weletsa dilo tse ntle di umbilical cord tsa bana ba hao mama ke yona ntho ba bere ke ngwana ka yona ka baka la gore bana ba ba hao ba tlhokalang ba tlhokofala ba ira divide o kamo and so ho tsama we lo connecta le spirit sa mondao metsing we lo kopa we lo rapela le hore modimo a o bone ke yona ntho e le ho tlo pholosa now ke bona go etsiwa a ritual ka mabitso a ngwana a ritual teng he etsiwa ngwadi wa lebitso la ngwana ka baka la gona le lebitso le wena o mo fileng gona le lebitso le go habo ba mo fileng mara ba mmitsa ka mabitso a maithu ene ba tsama ba iluira a ritual mo ile go wa rapediwa go batho ba fofa mollo e ba gore ne ba sa re ngwana tlhokofale ne ba re wena o tsamaye and so ntho he etsahala e etsahile gore e betha madi a ngwana wa bona self because ngwana ona o thomila rejecta ke motswadi wa hae the beginning he wena o ba pregnant wena o palla go molora is because ngwana ke moka a khama ke musi o ile gore batho ba ke batho ba kereke ba ira ka re ba rapedisa ngwana o mara ba mo rapedisa so that is why badimo ba re etla le watleng o tlo boloka ngwana o le wena o le motswadi wa hae o mo release that's why o ka se mmone ngwana o ka baka la gore mo moye bontsha ka le wena o dumetse hore ngwana tsamaye
umntanami make shona mina ngazi ukuthi bekuyinto yabantwana inyoni yabantwana because bengisima ngimhambisa kubogogo abogogo bathi umntana unenyoni eningi so kumele ngimhambele kubo bayomenzela umsebenzi bamphahlele then bese ngiyababuyisa kubo khona la uSizinthabi make bona indaba yomntana uthe umntana bubulawa abantu bakubo ritual bangayenzeli ukuthi babulale umntwana bebayenzela ukuthi babulale mina yimi umuntu bekumele ngihambe so ingiphatha kabi lento leyo ukuthi bebangakwenza kanjani ngoba bengingabahluphi ekhaya bebangenzela yonke into antwambe kangenzela ugokwambe kangenzela bengingabahluphi nga next
mon banya nontantla re ithuta hore badimo le batho asintshwete ka baka la hore koko ke yena mo file ntho hako o felletša a ska tlo a bile a phasa a bolela le badimo ba habo mama ka baka la hore mmele ha mama ke yena mo file ntho hako ewe o tšhabela ka mosaiteng ya habo papa hare ka mo ha bontuli a tsena ka mo o kraile hore ka mo hantuli go na le bollo ibile go na le batho ba ba dirang dilo botse o tla ka sello a re ngwana hae o tlhokofetse over 28 years ago o tšhabetse ka mosaiteng ya batho ba habo papa hae mo ile hore o bolailwe hona before a tla direla modiro wa hore ngwana be a lela leina pele bile ba ka ba fa leina le shetse bile ba le brekile ngwana o re ha tsena ka mahara ha motso o khumana lo mo semoyeng shetse le bitla le butsi for yena ngwana o re mokhumana le re ke ngwana a llang a re hore ke tle ke kgone go gomola wena mma e ya le watleng o gopela badimo ba metsi hore ba ntšhe ka mara mollo o ke leng ka